Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to cook yogurt chicken, a simple, quick and delicious recipe that needs just a few ingredients and very little time. Let's take a look at what we need to get started. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for this yogurt chicken. 600 grams boneless chicken breast, 4 tablespoon oil, 4 cloves, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons masala powder, 20 grams onion, 1 green chili, 30 grams tomato. I have chosen here canned tomatoes. If it's canned tomatoes, please add 3 tablespoons. 50 gram yogurt, 150 ml water, salt to taste. Let's get into the video to see how it made. Place a medium-sized pot on the stove and turn on the flame to dry the pot completely. Pour in the oil. Once the oil is heated, add the cloves and cinnamon sticks. When the spices start to fry, add the chicken breast pieces. Let them seal on one side without moving. Meanwhile, add turmeric powder and salt. Then turn the chicken pieces over to ensure they cook evenly on both sides. After a few minutes, you will notice that the chicken is releasing its stock, or you can see its juice. At this stage, add finely sliced onions and green chilli to the pot. Wait for the stock to reduce a bit before stirring the onions. This helps intensify the flavor. Once the stock has reduced slightly, start stirring the onions together with the chicken to combine everything well. Wait for 1 minute before adding tomatoes. I used here canned tomatoes. Bring the flame into low and mix well. Cook for another 2 minutes in a low heat. Now I am adding chili powder along with masala powder and water. You can see the water color was little reddish. It's because of I have add the water into a tomato tin and wash the tin and then pour into the pot. Add the yogurt and mix well. In a high heat, cook it for 5 minutes because I have cut the chicken into 1-inch cubes. We don't need to overcook. Now mix the chicken and lower the flame and cook it for another 5 minutes. For this recipe, heat control is very important. So make sure you are handling properly. Finally, I mixed one more time and cook it for 2 minutes and it's done. You can have it with rice, bread or parathas. And don't forget to check the salt before you serve. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please stay tuned to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye from Chef Fathima Shifnaz.